If you own a Gen 3 Toyota Tacoma with the factory bed cover, your seals are probably already failing. And here's the kicker, most dealers will tell you the parts don't exist and try to sell you a brand new cover for $2,000. But I found the exact parts you need, and I'm about to save you a fortune. So here's the deal with these Gen 3 Tacoma folding bed cover seals. They decay. It's not an if, it's a when. Most owners report failure around the 5-year mark, sometimes sooner if you're in a hot climate. And once those seals start breaking down, water gets into your cargo bed, your gear gets soaked. It's a mess. Now, finding replacement parts was surprisingly difficult. The part numbers aren't easy to locate, and figuring out how many you actually need, even harder. That's exactly why I'm making this video. I'm going to tell you the exact parts you need, where to get them cheaper, and yes, this is absolutely a DIY project that'll save you serious money. A full installation video is coming soon, but today, let's get you familiar with what you're dealing with. First, let me show you what other Tacoma owners are experiencing. Okay, so I went through forums, Facebook groups, Tacoma communities, and the complaints are everywhere. Listen to this one. The strips on mine have begun to split and get gummy at the ends. Gummy, that's the word that keeps coming up. But it gets worse. One owner in Arizona said mine completely melted into a gross black goo that stuck to everything. Had to use a paint scraper to get it all off. If you're in a hot state, this is probably your future. Here's another one. I'm new to the Tacoma community, and after buying my truck used, I noticed the seals on the cover failing. So even if you bought your truck secondhand, yeah, you're inheriting this problem. And here's where it gets frustrating. One owner said, I brought mine back to the dealer because the seals had dehydrated. They told me the seals are unavailable and wanted to sell me a new tonneau cover for $2,000 for a cover that probably just needs $40 worth of seals. But wait, it gets even better. Another owner called their local dealer who couldn't even find the part numbers. They had to provide the numbers themselves just to confirm they existed. That's the level of confusion we're dealing with here. So let me cut through the noise and give you exactly what you need. Alright, here's the solution. Replace the Gen 3 Tacoma OEM bed cover hinge seals with genuine Toyota parts. You need 3 parts total. Write these down. Part number 64971-04011. Order 2 of these. Part number 64972-04011, order 1 of this. Now let me explain why you need these specific quantities. The first 2 seals, the 64971, those are for the 2 hinges between panels 1 and 2. That's the section closest to your cab. The single seal, the 64972, that's for the double hinge between panels 2 and 3. That's the section closest to your tailgate. Makes sense, right? Now here's where you save money. I found it's actually cheaper to order from Toyota dealers in smaller states. They sometimes offer online discounts and free shipping. Wait for promotional periods. Be patient. You can save serious money. The dealership where I personally ordered mine, South Dade Toyota in Homestead, Florida. I got a 25% discount ordering online through their parts site. And most Toyota dealerships have online parts sites now, so shop around a bit. Compare prices. Find the deal. But here's the one I wish I knew sooner. Call ahead, confirm fitment, make absolutely sure these parts match your specific year and configuration before ordering. Because the last thing you want is to wait for parts that don't fit. Now, is this a DIY project? Absolutely. Could it take a few hours? Also yes, especially if your current seals are really deteriorated. Here's the thing. Once you get the liner rail out of the truck bed's tracks, it actually comes out pretty easily. And you know this if you've ever worked on cars, nothing is ever as easy as it sounds. You might deal with stuck hardware, melted goo, corroded bolts. That's just part of the game. But compared to paying $2,000 for a whole new cover, or even paying a shop to do this for you, yeah, you're saving hundreds of dollars doing it yourself. So here's what we covered. Your Gen 3 Tacoma Tonneau cover seals will fail. It's just a matter of time. The parts do exist, despite what some dealers might tell you. You need 2 of part 64971-04011 and 1 of part 64972-04011. Shop around online, find discounts, save money. And yes, this is totally doable as a DIY project. The full step-by-step installation video is coming soon, so make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss it. But for now, at least you know exactly what parts you need and where to get them. If you have any questions, call your Toyota dealership with this information and confirm part fitment before ordering. Do me a favor, hit that like button if this video helped you out. Subscribe for more Tacoma tips and DIY guides. And drop a comment below, have your seals already failed? Are you in a hot state dealing with the black goo situation? Let me know. There's also a Ko-fi link in the description if you want to buy me a coffee for saving you $2 grand. Just saying. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.